Imagine an animal so ancient. It walked the earth before humans even existed. But today, it's disappearing, and almost no one is talking about it. This is the story of the Malayan tapir. The Malayan tapir is one of the most unique and ancient mammals still living today. With its unusual black and white body and flexible snout, it looks like a mix between a pig, an anteater, and even a small elephant. Despite its strange appearance, the Malayan tapir is a peaceful herbivore that plays an important role in its ecosystem. It belongs to a family of animals that has existed for millions of years, making it a true survivor of prehistoric times. Tapirs belong to the family Tapiridae, and their ancestors date back over 50 million years to the early Eocene period. Fossils show that early tapirs once lived across North America, Europe, and Asia. Over time, climate changes and human expansion reduced their range. The Malayan tapir, Tapirus indicus, is the only tapir species found in Asia today. While other tapir species are found in Central and South America, the Malayan tapir is isolated in parts of Southeast Asia such as Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia. Because of their long evolutionary history and minimal physical changes, tapirs are often called living fossils. Their body structure has remained nearly the same for millions of years. The Malayan tapir is the largest of all tapir species. It is easily recognized by its striking coloration: black front and back ends, white or grey middle section, saddle-like marking. This pattern acts as camouflage in the forest, breaking up its body shape in the shadows. Key features: length 1.8 to 2.5 meters. Weight 250 to 320 kilograms. Short tail and thick body. Flexible snout, used like a small trunk. The snout helps the tapir grab leaves, fruits, and branches with great precision. There are 4 main species of tapirs in the world: Malayan tapir, Tapirus indicus. Found in Southeast Asia. Largest and most distinct in color. Brazilian tapir, Tapirus terrestris. Found in South America. Also known as the lowland tapir. Mountain tapir, Tapirus pinchak. Lives in the Andes Mountains. Has thick fur for cold climates. Baird's tapir, Tapirus bairdii. Found in Central America. Largest in the Americas. Among these, the Malayan tapir is the only Asian species. Malayan tapirs live in tropical rainforests, swamps, and riverbanks. They prefer areas with dense vegetation and access to water. They are solitary animals, living alone except during mating. They are mostly nocturnal, active at night, spending daytime resting in dense cover. They are also excellent swimmers. They often stay close to rivers because they use water to cool down and escape predators. The Malayan tapir is a herbivore, meaning it does not hunt prey. Its diet includes leaves, fruits, twigs, bark, and aquatic plants. Using its flexible snout, it can pull down branches and pick food with ease. Tapirs are important seed dispersers. When they eat fruits, they spread seeds through their droppings, helping forests grow and regenerate. No, Malayan tapirs do not hunt prey. They are completely plant-eating animals and pose no threat to other animals. Instead of hunting, they focus on finding vegetation to eat. However, they can defend themselves if threatened. Although peaceful, the Malayan tapir is surprisingly strong, powerful strong. Strength features: thick, strong, muscular body strong. Strong legs for running and pushing. Strong, tough skin strong, that protects against bites. Defense mechanisms: running away quickly into dense forest. Jumping into water to escape danger. Biting if cornered. Their jaws are strong enough to cause serious injury if they feel threatened. Malayan tapirs have a slow reproduction rate, which is one reason they are vulnerable to extinction. Gestation period, about 13 months. Usually gives birth to one baby at a time, typically once every 2 to 3 years. Baby tapirs, born with brown coats and white stripes and spots. This pattern helps camouflage them in the forest. They lose these markings after about 6 months. The mother takes care of the baby alone, protecting and feeding it until it can survive independently. Lifespan, in the wild, 25 to 30 years. In captivity, can live slightly longer. Behavior and communication. Tapirs communicate using whistles, high-pitched squeaks, and body language. They also mark their territory using scent markings. Natural predators, tigers, leopards, large crocodiles. Human threats, deforestation, habitat destruction, illegal hunting. Due to these threats, the Malayan tapir is classified as endangered. Efforts are being made to protect the Malayan tapir, including wildlife reserves, anti-poaching laws, conservation breeding programs. Organizations around the world are working to preserve their natural habitat. In some Asian cultures, the tapir is known as a dream-eater creature, believed to protect people from nightmares. The Malayan tapir is a fascinating and ancient animal that has survived for millions of years. Its unique appearance, peaceful nature, and important role in the ecosystem make it a vital part of the natural world. Although it does not hunt prey, it contributes to forest health through seed dispersal. Despite its strength and adaptability, the Malayan tapir faces serious threats from human activities. Protecting this species is crucial to maintaining biodiversity and preserving one of nature's most unusual creatures.
Please like, subscribe, and share for more interesting videos.